Hey guys, it's Kai. I'm here with BamBeds in Southern Utah, here with my LandCruiser 250. They brought a platform bed here and I'm going to show you guys how to install it. We're going to start with the two legs here. There's one for the driver and the passenger side. These just go right up along on the inside of the vehicle. And then we have 4 stiffeners. 2 of these go on each of the legs on the driver and passenger side. And you'll see the slots where they need to go into as well. Let's see. And then next, we're going to be installing the 3 platform pieces that you sleep on. This one is the biggest and it goes furthest into the vehicle, closest to the front, near the passenger and the driver's seats. Next, we have the middle section here. You can see the BamBed's logo at the bottom. Make sure this is facing to the trunk of the vehicle. Now we have the end piece here. If you purchase the headboard extension, you get the headboard and 2 supports. To fit the optional headboard extension, you'll need to slide your driver and passenger seats forward. The supports are shaped like a triangle. You'll want to put the pointy end at the bottom into the vehicle, leaving the longer flat end at the top to go into the headboard support. And just like that, you have your BamBed's LC250 bed platform installed in the back of your vehicle.